In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make changes to your store. We'll walk through the theme editor together so you can confidently update pages, tweak sections and blocks, and refine your overall look. Start by choosing where you want to work. At the top of the editor, use the drop-down menu to switch between your homepage, any product page, or a collection. Pick the page that matches what you want to change. Many settings are page-specific, so this keeps your edits targeted and prevents surprises elsewhere. On the left, you'll see a preview of your site, with your sections and blocks listed. Think of sections as the big building blocks, like headers, featured collections, or footers, and blocks as the smaller items inside a section, such as images, text, or buttons. Click any section or block, and its settings will appear on the right side of the screen. As you adjust options, keep an eye on the preview so you understand exactly what changes and how it affects the layout. If you need something new, scroll to the bottom of the left panel and click Add Section to insert another piece of content. You can drag and drop sections to reorder them and shape the flow of the page. Want to experiment without removing anything? Click the eye icon to hide a section. Hidden sections stay available in your theme but won't appear to visitors, which makes testing different layouts safe and quick. When you want changes to apply across your entire site, open the gear icon or the Theme Settings button. This is where your global styles live. Update your logo, colors, typography, and other settings here to keep your brand consistent. Under Logo, upload your file and adjust its size and position for different screen layouts so it looks sharp on both desktop and mobile. To share timely updates, locate the announcement bar section, edit the text, and add a link that takes visitors to the most relevant page. To control navigation, edit your menus from theme settings or by selecting a menu block within a section, then choose and arrange links that guide shoppers to your key pages. Most importantly, remember to save as you go. The editor does not autosave, so get in the habit of clicking Save regularly, especially after bigger changes like adding sections, updating colors, or adjusting menus, to make sure nothing is lost. With page switching, sections and blocks, global theme settings, and a steady save routine, you're ready to make polished, on-brand updates to your store anytime.